Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup challenge and it's the 5-minute, look at this, 5-minute makeup challenge, guys. This is old. It has gone around YouTube millions of times and I've never done it. So I thought it would be fun to do it now. So I'm going to be putting my timer on here and I'm going to try to do like all the steps, you know, like brows and bronzer and blush and moisturizer, like from the beginning. I'm gonna try and see if I can attempt to do all of that stuff, and hopefully I can. We'll see how this goes, guys. Wish me luck. So here we go with the screen recording, and now I gotta find my timer. So timer, we're gonna do 5 minutes, and you see here, guys, 5 minutes and start. Oh my god, this is nerve-wracking for real. I feel like I'm not gonna have enough time to do everything. This is so crazy. Oh my god. And then today I'm like running into everything, like this little bin, because I put all my stuff in a little bin. Like the little bin, I feel like has fallen on the floor like 3 times already. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do, oh my god, my hands feel sticky. Oh my god. Okay, so let's try to do a little bit of our brows. Oh my god, oh my god. OMG. Oh my god. How many minutes do I have left? I have 4 minutes left, guys. 4 minutes left. Oh my god. I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to do all this. Like, seriously. Do I really need to fill in my brows right now? Can I just like ride with them like this? I think I can just ride with them like this. Maybe just a tad bit on this side of fixing and filling, but I think I'm gonna have to ride with them as much as I can because there's no time. Okay, so let's go in with a palette. Let's do a little simple look on the eyes, guys. Okay, so this is crazy. Just something simple. Can't do much in 5 minutes, can we? Can't do much in 5 minutes, to be honest. Okay. It's just like an all over the lid color because there's no time. How many minutes do I have left? Oh my god, I have 2.5 minutes left. Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought I had at least 3. I thought I had at least 3 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, so that's it for that. I'll put on some mascara. OMG, guys. OMG. 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 Wow, this is harder than what I thought. Okay, I have to do foundation. Oh my god. Okay, brush. I don't care where you go right now, brush, because I don't have time. Oh my god. I've never done makeup so fast in my life. Oh my god. Oh my god, 1 minute and 40 seconds, guys. OMG. Are we serious right now? And I want to do concealer. Am I not going to have time for this? I'm just going to dot it real quick. I look crazy, but whatever. Oh my god, my concealer sponge fell. Oh my god. The one that I had, I don't know where it went. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. A minute. don't know if I did that well. Girl, oh my god, I look crazy. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys are even seeing the products. Oh my god, 30 seconds. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Am I missing something? Am I missing something? Setting spray? Oh my god, I didn't set anything. I had my setting powder and I didn't set anything. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. There it is. Oh, I pressed it, but did you hear it? I stopped like right on time. Oh my god, guys. So this is the completed look. Oh my god, that was so hard. I was like literally flinging things everywhere. Oh my god, guys. I don't even know how I made it. Like, I seriously don't know how I made it. Like, oh my god. All right, so if you guys want me to tell you what I used, I might as well tell you guys. It didn't come out so bad. My brushes fell, my sponge fell. Oh my god, this is so funny. Okay, so for moisturizer, I used the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, which I do like a lot. For primer, I use the No Problem Primer from Touch in Soul. Then for my brows, you guys know I just use like my little pencil, the $1 Billion Brows. That's the one I'm using at this moment. And I also use the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara. Then for my eyes, I used the Balm Cosmetics Pick Perfect Shadows on the Go palette. And the only one I had time to put in was this one. I was going to put like this in the crease or something, but I only had time to do like this one all over the lid. Mascara, I used the Il Makiage, which I love this mascara, to be honest with you. This is, this has a name though. What is the name of this? I don't remember. It's an Il Makiage mascara, but it has like a name, you know what I mean? I really, really like this mascara a lot. I used that. I used for foundation the Peach Perfect from Too Faced Comfort Matte Foundation. Smells so good. Oil control, 14-hour wear, photo friendly. I really like this. It smells really good, and I do like the coverage and everything, so I'm enjoying this foundation. I got it not too long ago. I used, oh, for concealer, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I love this concealer, and I'm so glad I was able to get like a shade that goes well with me. This is in the shade C13, because I hadn't gotten this because I was so scared of like what shades I should get, and usually when you think it's a shade that's actually super like lighter than what you think it is, so I was like freaking out. I love this, and look how gorgeous it is, guys. This is just so beautiful. Makes me feel like a diva when I use this. I love it. So I'm using that. For lips, I used Calabasas from Jeffree Star, which I'm loving this color. These are like my colors, you guys know. For blush, I used the Pretty Vulgar blush in Sweet Revenge. It's like an orangey kind of terracotta color. Really pretty. And then for bronzer, I used the Too Faced Sun Bunny. So as you can see, guys, I completely forgot to use highlight. I just saw it right now in my drawer, and I was like, oh my god, I forgot to get highlight. So that's it for the 5-minute makeup challenge, guys. I thought it was fun. All right, guys, so I hope you liked this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to do all those things I ask you for. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.